Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. We are on day 3 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him. If this is your first time checking out my channel, thanks for coming through. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button down there and hitting that bell because you do not want to miss the next 22 days of all the gifts, ideas that I have to show you guys. Today's brand is probably a brand most of you all have not heard of, but when I tell you about them, you won't believe how amazing they are. The brand is called Rabble. Rabble is one of the first interactive clothing brands I've ever heard of. By interactive, I mean that all of their garments, their hoodies, their drawstrings, it's all meant to interact with each other and for you to customize every clothing item that you purchase for them. What I really like about Rabble is that this entire brand is all about self-expression and originality. I love the idea that no matter how many people you buy this for, there's really no way to have the exact same combination without it being on purpose. Wait till you see this kit. Now, a quick disclaimer. Not everyone has to get this full-on Rabble kit. You can go on their website and just get the hoodie, and with the hoodies you have a choice of 5 different drawstring combinations. But I wanted to go big or go home. So this is their full-on Rabble kit. Now inside of this kit, you receive the hoodie of your choice, which usually is a blank hoodie. I chose white because I wanted to make sure mine goes with everything. But inside of there, instead of it being only 5 different drawstring choices, I have all 28. Yeah, so that literally means that I can interchange mine so much. Now the point of this is not just to wear one drawstring like you all see on every hoodie. It's actually meant to look more like this, and this, and this. So as you can see, it's meant for you to just have self-expression using their garments. You are supposed to have 20 on there, whatever you're feeling, to be able to express yourself and show your originality in this brand. And that is what drives me wild about this, is that this is all about showing off who you are, what you're comfortable in, and making sure that your kit elevates your creativity and how you look. So let me just show you what's in this kit. Like I said, you guys can go on the website and just get the normal hoodie, and it comes with 5 drawstring choices. But let's break this down. So I think a lot of you all will hear me say this a lot this season, but I love a good box. And honestly, with this box having 28 different drawstring boxes in here, I will definitely be keeping this box. But inside of this kit, you not only get the hoodie that you chose, so I went with the white one just so it can be a little bit more diverse with the clothing that I want to wear, and it'll just be a little easier getting the drawstrings to be the focal point of the hoodie. Now if you look, the holes on the side are so big that it allows for you to put multiple drawstrings through the top so that you can literally have dozens of them on there. Now like I said, this is not the real focal point. Yes, there is a hoodie in here. It's your simple plain white. But really the big thing is this right here. These are the real star of this entire thing. It's the 26 drawstring choices. Guys, I mean, there's different textures, different designs, different colors, different styles in here. From your normal long shoestring ones to the flat ones, guys. This was a game changer. I have never heard of customizing a hoodie this way before. And even if you want to go on their website and take it a step further, you can actually get patches that'll make it even more original here. Their garments are meant for you to be able to express yourself in a way that not a lot of brands let you. When I say this is something for not just adults, but they want you to be able to wear it with your kids. If you have a guy in your life who wears a hoodie, which we all wear hoodies, this is the item to go to. This is how you could turn one hoodie into literally hundreds of different hoodies. You can combine these in a way that you've never been able to do before. You also lose the idea of, if I pull my drawstring too much, I could lose it. They want you to. They want you to be pulling them out and exchanging them and replacing them. They want that. Every day could be a different look for you with these hoodies. And you'd never even know a person only has 1, 2, or 3 of them because everything in them has changed. Let's put together, I'll do random ones that I think are cool, and we'll put it through here, see what it looks like. Right in here, instead of it going all the way around, what happens inside to make this so easy is that it actually unzips around it. So when you put your drawstring through it, all you have to do is pull it from one side, all the way to the other side, through the hoop, and you pull it from the other side, and then all you do is zip it up. This is amazing. It's simple and it's quick. You can do this multiple times and have a completely different look every time. I just put the first one in there. So this is all you do. If you have a pair of shoes that you know it can match, if an outfit or a jacket that you're gonna put over it, you can literally match it with any of these to make it work. And like I said, this is meant to hold as many as possible. If you want to put all 26 through here, you can. That's actually what they want you to do. They want you to have as many of them as possible, to be as creative as possible, as artistic as possible. They want you to use these hoodies to express yourself, guys. And I think this is an amazing Christmas gift. This isn't just a Christmas gift for him. This is a Christmas gift for the entire family, because no one has ever tried something like this before. And especially not when they give you the kit to do it properly. That's what's crazy to me, is that you have everything you need right here. And if you find yourself loving this, you can go onto their website and grab more drawstrings, more patches, more everything. You're not just stuck with the 5 that you received. And that's for those who don't want to do the full kit. And they're updating their stuff so often that you can just keep adding to it. Keep adding that new creative feel to your hoodies and jackets. Honestly, the quality of these hoodies are also amazing. I love that they are blank. They have their embroidered Rabble on the side. They come in 5 different colors. If you don't want to be like me and go with white, go with gray, go with blue, go with pink, go with brown. All of those colors work great. They went with base tone colors so that they don't clash with anything that you decide to put on here, because it's meant to look wild. You're supposed to look unconformed. As a men's fashion content creator, I'm always looking for ways to stand out, to show my originality, and to be myself. And I love brands who really want to bring that out of not just me, but my followers and everyone else. This is a way to do that. This is a way to let kids, men and women, have such a control over their narrative of who they are, how they represent themselves. And this is the perfect gift to do that. Guys, Rabble is changing the game with their interactive clothing. I had never heard of interactive clothing before them, and I think this would be one of the best gifts, if not the best gift, to get your guy. Alright guys, so that's really it. I want to know in the comments, what do you all think about this? Is this a gift that you think that there's someone in your life who has that creative edge that you would love for them to see? Is there a design that you want to see me put together? And don't worry, I'll be showing how I created my own look with this very soon. Make sure you guys are going to check out all of my 25 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him series. You don't want to miss any video. Every day will be a different brand, a different item, all of which I think are amazing. If I didn't want it under my tree, I would not tell you to put it under yours. Alright guys, so give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and again, hit that bell, because I will be doing this for 23 more days and I don't plan on missing it, and I want you here with me every step of the way. So until next time guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. Happy holiday.